Hi all, welcome to our brand new video by NanoGig Shorts. In today's video, we will discuss on online security. When discussing online security of our accounts, we should always ask yourself the questions like: is our password strong enough? Is our social media accounts safe from hackers? Let's see. Let's say for example, we are going to change our social media account password. First, we will check how strong is our chosen password. Please follow the steps. Go to Chrome. In the address bar type in the link, www.security.org web link. For your reference, the link is provided in the description of the video. Press enter. Now enter the chosen password in the text box indicating enter password. It will show you how strong is your password and how long it would take to crack the password. Use this tool to keep your online accounts safe and secure. Stay safe and enjoy. Thank you for viewing this video. If you like this video, please like and comment. To get more updates from our channel, please select the subscribe button and press the bell icon for instant updates when a new video is uploaded.